Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. It can be frustrating when you are unable to join a chat on Instagram, especially when trying to connect with friends. This issue can stem from various factors ranging from simple app glitches to more complex account or server problems. So here is a comprehensive guide to troubleshoot and fix this issue if at all you are facing it. Before diving into the solutions, it's helpful to understand why you might be facing this problem. And these are the reasons why. The first one could be internet or connection issues. Instagram requires a stable internet connection, so a weak or intermittent Wi Fi or mobile data connection can prevent messages from loading or even sending. Another cause could be outdated app version. Running an old version of the Instagram app can lead to bugs and compatibility issues with new features or server updates. Let's fix this. We can do so by going to Play Store or App Store on your phone. In here, just search for Instagram. Now go ahead and click on update to have it updated. And this could be a solution to the issue as well. Another cause could be that sometimes the problem isn't on your end, but with Instagram servers themselves. Outrages can affect messaging functionality globally. Over time, the app's cache can become corrupted or overloaded, leading to performance issues, including messaging problems. So, app's cache can also be the cause here. Another thing is accounts restrictions or blocks. Maybe you have been blocked. If the person who added you to the chat has blocked you, or if you have blocked someone in the chat, it will prevent you from joining or seeing ever messages from that person you blocked. Another cause could be that you have violated Instagram guidelines, and this can lead to your account restrictions. Instagram might temporarily restrict your messaging capabilities if your account has violated community guidelines, for example, spamming or even suspicious activity in the chats. Now, let's go through the troubleshooting steps from simplest to more advanced. So we have already updated the app, so we have one solution already done. If at all that didn't fix any issue, let's now go to another solution of clearing Instagram cache. Do that by going to your phone settings. Inside here, navigate and click on App Management or any similar option on your side. Once you are in here, go ahead and click on App Settings. You have all these apps. Just scroll down and find Instagram and go ahead and click on it. You'll be brought in here. Go ahead and press on Storage or Storage and Cache. Now click on Clear Cache and this should solve the solution. But if it doesn't, you can use Clear Data right here. This is an option, but just note that it will log you out and delete some app settings, but it can also be a more thorough fix if clearing cache doesn't work. Another solution is to uninstall and reinstall Instagram. This is a more drastic step but often resolves persistent issues by giving you a fresh installation of the app. Tap and hold the Instagram's app icon like this and then click on uninstall or remove app if at all it has that on your phone, or even delete app. Now, after uninstalling, go back to App Store or Play Store and download and install the new Instagram app. Log back in with your credentials, and your photos and profile data are saved on Instagram servers, so you won't lose them. Another solution is account and chat specific checks. So just check Instagram server status. Sometimes the issue is widespread. So use a service like Down Detector here on your browser and just confirm that whether the Instagram is down to see if other users are also reporting outrages. And if there's a major outrage, you will simply need to wait for Instagram to fix it. Another solution is to log out and log back in. Go to your Instagram profile. I'm inside here. Now just click on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. Go ahead and click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner and you should be brought to your settings and privacy. But if you are not brought directly in here, just click on settings and privacy. Now scroll down and tap on logout. So close the app, then reopen it and go ahead and log back in again. This can refresh your account's connection to the servers. Another solution is to report the problem to Instagram. If none of the above steps work, or if you suspect a bug, report the issue directly to Instagram. And this is how to do it. I'm still inside the Instagram app. Now I'll go ahead and click on profile here again and click on these three horizontal lines at the top right corner. This will bring you to settings and privacy. Just scroll down to where we have help and press on it. Now click on report a problem and in here just describe your issue in detail and include even screenshots if possible. An Instagram support team may be able to investigate your account and check on any account issues on your side. And by systematically going through these steps, you should be able to identify and resolve most common issues preventing you from joining chats or sending messages on Instagram. This will keep you connected now with your friends. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.